How to change name on Facebook. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a video. It is a quick and easy process. Start by launching your Facebook application. Make sure that it is up to date. Log into your account. Then tap on the menu icon. Select the gear icon and head to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center. From here, select your profile. Then tap on your Facebook ID. Select the option of username from this list. Now from here, you can easily change your first name, middle name or last name. But mind it, if you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So be very careful regarding the spellings. Then tap on Review Change. Now you can select at least of 3 options provided to you. Then select any and tap on Save Changes. And just like that, you'll be able to change your name on Facebook. You can head back to the very start of your Facebook and give it a refresh. To check if your name has been changed or not, you can just tap on your profile. And as you can see, my name on my Facebook has been changed. Isn't it simple? If you face any of the glitch issue during this process, follow the step. Press and hold onto your Facebook app and head to App Info. Force stop your application and head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will help to fix any of the bug or glitch issue. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.